Hello, everybody. Once again, it's Gregory, and we're going to see where the development of the vortex force reactor has gotten to. And if you're getting the blog post to see my drawing of the vortex force reactor final design, and I went out to find it. Signal, my dad asked me to bought me the motor itself, and this motor goes on top of the vortex force reactor. If you look, and I also must admit, I forgot to publish the link to the video archives so you can watch the development from the day we got the package in the mail until I put it together, and it's all there in video. I haven't broadcast in about 4 months because of other things that were going on, but I'm back working on this project once again. So this is the most energy generator, and we're using a impeller that is custom made. I had to make this one that looks like that so that it doesn't disturb, and I've actually tested it, and it goes right down the middle of the vortex, and the vortex comes up around it. The vortex goes down because too much, it needs too much power right now, but I'm sure that where I leave it gain energy for, I don't know, a week or a month, somewhere in the time to be able to power this. Now this is a kilowatt, 4 kilowatt generator. Means um, 4 kilowatt, 4,000 watts. Yeah, 4,000 watts, and it's high voltage. So be careful whenever you have it done. Have it done by a certified electrician, so that you don't get shocks. It's got to be grounded. There's all kinds of that happen. So that just the electrical part in there, so it doesn't harm people. This piece here, you'll see later in one of the other videos, is the filter that came out of the Zen Online um, um, water purifier that we custom made to make into a vortex force reactor. And you use a soldering iron is what I use. Be careful that you don't start a fire, so do it and have some water with you, just in case. Um, and this is what these look like. This is the top of the filter, and this is the bottom of the filter. And then you empty out all of the rocks that are in there, which is a it's a large cup full of rocks that are in the um, filter, a bunch of rocks that are in the filter, and empty that out, and then you put this one on here to this one. I think I'm going to use double-sided tape when I do the final connection. Otherwise, I'd have to drill holes that come up through the bottom to get the motor to stay in one place. The motor to stay fully online. The tape, tape, I'm bringing up the two-sided tape that is like padded almost. I think with enough area underneath this, actually use one of those. So let me show you the motor. Very heavy. This is the motor, and that is the rod that's. I can show you exactly what I'm talking about. This is the filter that comes with the kit, and we just use a soldering iron to melt out this piece here, and then the tape is going to go along that. I know my friend says not to use tape, but it's probably our best choice. I can glue it down, and I'm not going to resort to that, but I'm not so sure about that. And then this is the body of the reactor, and it has a hole that goes from top tank to bottom tank. The vortex forms in the top tank, and the water runs down into the bottom tank and stays at the level of the fountain pump is pumping the water through the whole system. Now, we know it's kind of obvious, should be obvious to everyone, if you get this to work. I'm not sure why you get this size vortex force reactor to spin this 4 kilowatt motor, but we want to make this bigger and use a bigger one. I have one, I don't know, 3 feet, I have less than 3 feet wide so we can get through a door, but 2.5 feet wide, and tanks. I've seen tanks similar to that. They're fish tanks, circular, clear circular fish tanks, and I was going to use one of those with this water purifier from Zen Online. Thanks to zenonline.com. Well, if you put that in there and look for water purifier, it might be good. I made a link to it at the site so that you can go and purchase one of these if you want to experiment with it. It's actually really nice just as a science project for kids without the motor, without any possibility, I can't say without any possibility, but any likelihood of harm without the motor. Something electric, well, there's something electric, submersible pump that's down here going through there. Now I have to make a change where I have the water come in on this side of the tank, keeping the rotation going like this, and accelerating as it goes back up into the top tank. So that's where we start, and I'm going to be doing that as soon as possible. Attach the impeller, which is this, and it's very heavy. It's like hard for me to hold, but it's actually 20 pounds. And this goes on the bottom. It screws in to this like this, and then put that in the it all the way down, and then put that into the tank and start producing electricity. It might take a while to start moving, but once it starts moving, it has something like a flywheel, but it's not exactly a flywheel because if it was a flywheel, you push it and it would continue going a little bit. This one doesn't seem to go much. Anyway, the need for this piece is to raise the motor up just enough so that the cords can get by top of the machine without the filter. If you put this on top without the filter, it's gonna really create something. Alright. So now, put that back on top like that. For more information on the vortex force reactor, read the post in the blog and watch the videos. The videos are very detailed, and so on one camera, I was working on it. I don't really know how much I'm running this. It's got a, must have no address that I read this website. I got that written. Anyway, what I'm saying is, this is the vortex force reactor, and this shows motor. Now this was a true fiber. It will slow down, it won't just stop. But every time it moves, there's a little jerky feeling to it. Anyway, this is the vortex force reactor with the motor, and if you check the first or second blog post, you'll see how I designed it, and I put it on paper, what it's made of, how it's made, and then I scanned it and put it on the website. Now this is the energy piece that you need to use. Don't go any further than this without rubber gloves and rubber boots, and make sure you know what you're doing. This is the inverter, especially the inverter. This is the inverter that changes the quality of the electricity produced into quality. I guess it's AC/DC. No, it's AC electricity. So you don't need one of these pumps. You don't need that. You might be another impeller you Anyway, this is the manpower. What is it called? Anyway, this is what conditions the electricity to go back into the grid, and that's how I view this thing work at first. Is getting people who have electricity already and are connected to the system but want to save money. Go on these things to working or buy one when I get them working. I'm probably gonna for the buy one and then send power back into the grid and lower your bills and collect that money that way. So you might save $200 or $300 a month in electricity bills, as I figured it out. And then, as this is running 24/7, you get a lot of electricity out of it, and you know, come back to the power company. I think a lot of states actually have a law to actually allow you to produce your electricity and pump it back to the grid and get that money taken off the bill. If worse comes to worse, you can take, well, actually, if good comes to really good, and it's for me, I can have a lot of these things out there, and start a power company. I guess I could start a power company. I might try to do that. I don't know. This is for your use. I kind of debate whether I should get a patent on it or not. I said I wasn't gonna consider the open market and figure out how to make it. And then that's leads to a lot of, that would lead to a lot of, will actually let you exercise your freedom and make this thing work and use the electricity from this thing to whatever end you want. You can plug it back into it and have a circular motion machine going on. And if you're going to ask where's energy come from, the energy comes from the gravity that creates the vortex, and the spinning force is what will power the generator. I made my impeller really small because I want to keep it as close as possible to the rapidly rotating vortex that's in the generator. So let's see. This is the remote energy generator. This is the vortex force reactor. Together, together they make electricity, and it can be conditioned with an inverter or whatever conditioning equipment you would need for your area. The spin you see on in the tank is going according to the Coriolis force or vortex force of the northern hemisphere. In the southern hemisphere, it's going to go the other way around. So in Latin America and Latin America, in the South, what's called South America. In South America, we just have it going the other way around. So that's it. Check out the picture in the first blog post, and you'll see how it may not be the first blog post right now, but there's a blog post with a picture of this prior to me building it and then building it. If you go into the archives for the video, you'll see the genesis of this thing straight from the day that I got the package. You'll see me walking with the package and show you how we built it in successive videos that are linked to the video archive page. Okay, now that was a mouthful, but this is Gregory, and let your light so shine before men that they may see your good works and go fire.